How to transfer items between accounts in Roblox. Let's get started. Make sure you have already logged into your Roblox account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Now head towards this option of health and safety. Open it. Now go ahead and click on this option, Health Center. Open it. With that, you will be directed to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find the search box. Type in items and search for it. Now click on this option, Can I move items? Open it. Can you move items, experiences or Roblox from one account to another? Unfortunately, as of right now, there is no system in place to transfer items or Robux between your accounts. Right now, it is only possible to transfer your experiences using Roblox Studio. You can go through this article so that you will be able to transfer your experience. But at the moment, it's impossible to transfer the items. This video was made to clear out the confusion among you guys if you can transfer items between accounts in Roblox or not. As if right now the answer is no, but if in the future Roblox comes up with this kind of feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.